Spotlight on AI. Elon Musk unveils Grok, a new AI engine from X. Specifics? Still under wraps, but Musk touts it as top tier. Grok accesses global insights via X, tackling tough queries. Early days, but Grok's making waves. Catch? Access exclusive to blue tick holders. Can Musk's claims stand? Switching gears, IBM researchers pit AI against humans in phishing attacks. AI's faster, humans excel in crafting persuasive content. Major stride? OpenAI and Google DeepMind greenlight government safety audits of AI models. Balance between innovation and security in AI. Future brims with prospects. Stay tuned for more AI revelations. Like, subscribe, share. Until next time.